stand at a 3/4 angle, and I'm just going to have him do 5 air squats for me so I can check the range of motion and maybe a little immature squat of the chest falling a little too low for me. So if you can give me 5 air squats, just nice and slow, hitting that full range of motion. First 3 reps, I'm going to see if he's getting all the way down, hip crease below the knee, and then standing up. The last couple reps for a nice upright chest. Very good. So that was good. The range of motion's there. Hip crease is below the knee. We're standing up at the top. Chest isn't sagging too much. So now we're going to add a little bit to it. We're going to grab the med ball. We're looking to hold the bottom third of the ball so it's resting in our hands and we're not having to activate our chest muscles to hold it. And we're just going to shoot that butt back and down, hitting 5 more squats with that med ball in there, looking for elbows under the ball so it's a nice relaxed hold. And if you can give me 5 squats. Again, we're looking at that range of motion. We're looking at if that chest drops, where that ball stays. Those look pretty good. The last couple reps here. And then we can relax. We can set the ball down if we need to. So the next thing, we need to work on timing. Timing of the hips, getting the ball moving, and then finishing with the press of the arms. So I'm going to have him bring the ball up in that front rack position again with the elbows under, bottom third of the ball. And I'm going to ask him for 5 push press, where we're going to dip, extend the hips, and then finish the press with the arms. But we're looking for timing here. So if you can give me 5 push press, big dip, drive, that looks good. Hips and then arms is how we're going to make that happen. 5 solid reps, that looks good. Then we can relax. From there, we're going to tie those 2 together. We're going to go with a thruster. So we're going to go into that front squat at the top. We're going to squeeze those cheeks, letting those hips extend, and then finishing with a press of the arm. Again, we're checking for the same things here, range of motion and timing of the hips and then the arms. Let me get 5 good reps from you. Looks good. Hips first, then arms. Looks really good. From there, all we have to do is add in a little accuracy. So the idea of a wall ball, if we can hit the same spot on the target every time, it's going to fall back in the same spot for the catch every time. So I'd ask him to get set up, maybe about an arm's length from the rig. And we're going to grab the med ball. Still the same thing, looking for that full range of motion of hips below the knees, standing up at the top. When the hips lock, it's an aggressive squeeze, and then tossing the ball, hitting the 10-foot target. Nice and accurate if I can get 5 good reps here.